Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of Asana tasks, wishing you could just pull all that beautiful, organized data out into a simple, sortable spreadsheet? You've got the project humming along, the deadlines are set, the assignees are tagged, but now your boss, a client, or maybe even your own spreadsheet-loving heart is demanding a quick and dirty report. And let's face it, while Asana is incredible for project management, sometimes you just need the raw data in a format you can slice and dice to your heart's content. A world where you can filter by due date, sort by assignee, and create custom pivot tables without ever leaving the cozy confines of Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Well, I'm here to tell you that not only can you do it, but it's surprisingly straightforward. You don't need a fancy third-party tool, a complex API integration, or a degree in computer science. Asana has this functionality built right in. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can go from an Asana project to a perfectly formatted spreadsheet in just a few clicks. Let's start with the why. Why would you even want to do this? Asana is a powerful visual tool. It's designed to be a dashboard, a living, breathing representation of your project's progress. But what it's not always great at is deep dive analysis. Maybe you need to calculate the average time a specific task type takes to complete. Perhaps you want to create a burn-down chart that's not available in Asana's native reporting. Or maybe you simply need to share a static snapshot of the project with a stakeholder who doesn't have an Asana account. The ability to export to a spreadsheet gives you that flexibility and control. It's like taking a high-resolution photo of your project at a specific moment in time and then being able to zoom in on every single detail. Now, let's get into the how. The good news is the process is nearly identical for both free and paid Asana accounts. You don't need to be on a business or enterprise plan to access this feature. This is for everyone. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you want to export. This could be a list-based project, a board, a timeline, or a calendar view. The export feature works regardless of how you're viewing your project. Once you're inside the project, look for the little drop-down arrow next to the project title. Click on that and you'll see a menu with a bunch of options. One of those options, tucked away in plain sight, is Export/Print. When you hover over Export/Print, another submenu will appear. And there it is, CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's a universal file format that can be opened by virtually any spreadsheet application. From Excel to Google Sheets, Numbers, LibreOffice Calc, you name it. It's essentially just a text file where each piece of data is separated by a comma. It's the lingua franca of spreadsheets. When you click on CSV, Asana will do its thing in the background and download a file to your computer. The file will be named after your project and will have a .csv extension. Now, the magic happens when you open this file. Pause for a moment to build anticipation. Double-click that file, and depending on your computer settings, it will open automatically in your default spreadsheet program. If it doesn't, just open Excel or Google Sheets and import the file from there. And boom, there it is. Your entire project, laid out in columns and rows. You'll see things like task name, assignee, due date, project, tags, and even the full task description. All the custom fields you've created, they're in there too, each one getting its own column. It's a complete dump of all your project's data. Now, a quick note on formatting. Sometimes when you open a CSV file, the data might not look perfectly clean. The text might be all bunched up in one column, or the dates might not be formatted correctly. Don't panic. This is a common quirk of CSVs. A quick fix in Excel is to use the Text to Columns feature under the Data tab. This will properly separate all the data into the correct columns. If you're in Google Sheets, it usually handles this automatically, but if it doesn't, a simple Split Text to Columns command will do the trick. Once your data is clean, the world is your oyster. You can sort by assignee to see who has the most tasks. You can filter by due date to find all overdue items. You can create a new column to calculate the days remaining until a task is due. You can even use pivot tables to create powerful, visual summaries of your data, like a count of tasks per status or a breakdown of tasks by tag. The possibilities are endless. But what if you don't need the entire project? What if you only want to export a specific subset of tasks? Let's say you only want to export tasks assigned to a specific person or tasks that are currently marked as in progress. Asana has you covered there too. Before you export, you can use the powerful filtering capabilities within Asana. Simply go to the filter bar at the top of your project and apply the filters you need. Filter by assignee, by due date range, by tag, or by any custom field. Once you have your filtered view, the export feature will only export the tasks currently visible on your screen. It's an incredibly powerful way to create targeted reports without having to manually sift through thousands of lines of data in your spreadsheet. So, whether you're creating a weekly status report for a client, archiving a project for historical record, or just prefer to do your number crunching in a spreadsheet, Asana's export feature is a hidden gem that gives you the flexibility and control you need. It turns your visual project management data into a raw, manipulable dataset, ready for any analysis or reporting you can dream up. It's a simple feature, but it's a game changer for anyone who needs to bridge the gap between their project management tool and the world of data analysis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.